Hello my alien students, welcome back. How are you all? So today we're going to do something very special. Okay, we're going to do a new project, a project in which we're going to do plumbing, let's say MEP work for a container. Actually it's a project. Okay, I'll just show you the project here. Okay, this is the project, and here we are going to do, it's like containers being placed. Okay, different containers. So it's something like this. 1 minute. Okay, just if you like to zoom, you will see it. Okay, this is one container. Okay, this is one container. Okay, if you can see the plumbing, isn't it? So we will be doing the plumbing work for this whole project, the whole project. This is a project here, and we will be doing the plumbing work for it. It's kind of a mall kind of project. Okay, so yeah, just to show you the whole trailer of the movie. So consider this as the trailer. It's kind of a container, isn't it? We're going to do the whole MEP work for this project. Okay, so what I like to do is I like you to sit back, enjoy, and learn the whole project. I'll show you how to do the electrical work and the plumbing work for this project. Okay, this is the schematic. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I just wanted to give you, let's consider this as the trailer of the movie, and then we see each other in the next class fresh and energized. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Okay, so this is the whole MEP work. We will be doing the whole project. Okay, anyway, take care, and I think that's it for today. Yeah, bye.